Fan controllers optimize cooling, reduce noise, and provide precise control over PC fan speeds. My today's video is about top 5 best fan controllers for PC that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Thermalright Fan Controllers for PC. Thermalright, a trusted Taiwan brand with over 20 years of experience, delivers a reliable and practical ARGB fan hub designed for clean and efficient PC builds. This hub supports up to 8 ARGB fans, making cable management much easier while keeping your system organized and visually appealing. Its compact design offers impressive capacity, perfect for users building high-performance or RGB-focused setups. Powered directly via SATA, it ensures stable output even under heavy loads. The strong double-sided adhesive allows secure mounting inside the chassis without complicated installation. It also supports PWM fan regulation and speed reading, though only one fan connected to the red port can report speed due to motherboard limitations. The hub synchronizes lighting effects with 5 3-pin ARGB devices, ensuring consistent illumination across fans and light strips. However, it does not support 12 4-pin RGB devices and does not independently control speed or lighting. Overall, it's a dependable expansion solution for streamlined cable and lighting management. Now our second product is Shaking Tank Fan Controllers for PC. This 9-port ARGB PWM hub is an excellent solution for builders who want clean cable management and synchronized lighting control. Supporting up to 9 fans, it offers individual PWM speed control along with unified 5 3-pin ARGB lighting for fans and LED strips. It's a great addition for enhancing both cooling efficiency and visual appeal inside your PC case. The built-in magnetic backing makes installation incredibly simple. Just attach it to any metal surface inside your case without messy adhesives. The SATA power connection ensures stable and consistent performance, preventing voltage drops and avoiding motherboard overload, even with high-power fans. Its compact size helps reduce cable clutter, improving airflow and overall system organization. Compatible with standard 4-pin PWM fans and 3-pin ARGB devices, it offers wide flexibility for most builds. Overall, this hub delivers convenience, stability, and vibrant lighting control in one compact package. Our third product is Corsair Fan Controllers for PC. This controller is a powerful all-in-one solution for users running both ARGB PWM fans and Corsair IQ-Link devices. Designed to unify two ecosystems, it allows seamless integration and centralized control through a single, streamlined interface. That means fewer controllers, less cable clutter, and a much cleaner build overall. Featuring 2 dedicated ARGB and PWM channels, it supports up to 6 daisy-chained fans per channel, doubling the capacity compared to the Commander Core XT. This makes it ideal for high-performance or showcase builds with multiple fans and extensive lighting setups. With Corsair ICUE software, you get intelligent fan detection, precise group speed adjustments, and fully customizable fan curves for optimal cooling performance. RGB lighting can also be synchronized effortlessly, supporting up to 50 LEDs per ARGB channel for vibrant, coordinated effects. Overall, it's a smart, high-capacity controller that delivers excellent cooling management and stunning lighting control in one efficient package. Now number 4, OwlTree Fan Controllers for PC. This 4-pin PWM fan speed controller is a practical and efficient solution for managing multiple cooling fans in your PC setup. It supports up to 6 4-pin PWM fans, not compatible with 3-pin or 2-pin models, making it ideal for users who want centralized and precise fan control. One of its standout features is flexible power input. It supports both SATA 12V and DC 5.5 by 2.5 mm, 5525, 12V connections, giving you more installation options depending on your system configuration. With a maximum total output of 60 W, 5A at 12V, and up to 2A per port, it provides stable and reliable power distribution as long as the combined current stays within 5A. The adjustable PWM duty cycle range from 1% to 99% allows fine-tuned speed control, helping balance cooling performance and noise levels. Compact and straightforward, this controller is a solid choice for users seeking better airflow management and customized cooling performance. And our last choice is ASUS Fan Controllers for PC. This fan hub is a well-designed solution for managing both cooling and lighting in a PC build. It supports up to 6 case fans, allowing users to expand airflow efficiently while keeping cable management clean and organized. With combined PWM fan control and RGB synchronization, it ensures both cooling performance and lighting effects work seamlessly together for a more polished setup. The visible power and operation indicators make it easy to monitor system status at a glance, adding convenience during daily use or troubleshooting. Installation is also straightforward thanks to the magnetic mounting system, which securely attaches to any metal surface inside the case without screws or adhesive for stable performance. The hub uses dual SATA power connectors, ensuring consistent power delivery even under full load. Safety is further enhanced with built-in dual fuses for overcurrent protection, helping protect connected components. Overall, it's a practical and reliable hub for improving airflow and RGB control in modern PC builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.